This is Argus, a spherical robot with legs and eyes all around. It can walk, climb, look, follow, and manipulate objects in every direction. But Argus isn't just another robot. It's built to sense and interact with the world in a completely new way. At the core of Argus is a concept we call dynamic symmetry. It means the robot can generate forces and accelerations almost equally in every direction. We quantify this using a new measure called dynamic isotropy. Across many robot designs, such as drones, tensegrity robots, humanoids, quadrupeds, even spherical robots, this number stays below 0.9. Argus pushes it to the extreme, and that's where versatile capabilities emerge. Instead of relying on one camera pointing forward, Argus surrounds itself with 20 eyes with its 20 legs, giving it a near 360-degree view of its environment. With legs pointing outward in every direction, it can push and pull itself across terrain. It doesn't need to turn to see or even reorient its body to move. That means Argus can do things most robots struggle with: slip through cluttered forests, wander around a sandy area, climb between walls, track moving objects while walking, manipulate objects to a target location, or scan its surroundings without blind spots. In a way, Argus works more like animals that rely on distributed sensing. Think of insects with compound eyes, or sea urchins that move and sense without a head. The useful behavior comes not from a single viewpoint, but how all the sensors and legs coordinate together. Because Argus can sense and act in all directions, it's naturally robust. If one leg breaks, the others still work. If one camera fails, the rest still see. The key idea of Argus is not taking symmetry as an artifact while copying natural species, but treat it as a property of dynamics and treat it as a design principle. Across thousands of simulated designs, we find that designs approaching extreme dynamic symmetry consistently improve performance, robustness, and energy efficiency. The design opens the door to new kinds of robots. Imagine many Argus robots exploring dangerous terrain, monitoring forests for wildfires, acting as mobile sentinels in disaster zones, or even exploring unknown environments on other planets. It's not about giving one robot more power, but about rethinking how a body can sense, move, and adapt. Argus shows us that sometimes seeing and moving in every direction at once can unlock entirely new ways of being a robot.